I've been teaching culture policy here since 2007, so I was the pioneer introducing culture policy courses in this curriculum in the public policy master, and adding more, and also finding ways to cooperate with my colleagues in other departments, in history or in sociology and anthropology, who are also offering courses related to culture. So there is some kind of a linkage slowly being built up. What we understand as the culture of facets. Students are not very numerous. It is not a glamorous field for sure, and yet there is a great need for specialists in this field, especially if you look at the whole East and Central European space, where no substantial overhaul of cultural systems has taken place in the last 20 years. This is still something that has to come. I'm very glad to teach cultural policy in a department of public policy, because cultural policy is one aspect of public policies, but with this kind of embedding that I'm having here, you can constantly explore the linkages between cultural policies and other policies like educational policy or urban development policy or rural development policy or human rights or cultural diversity or gender equality. So in a way, I'm trying to offer a view of culture not as a self-enclosed realm, but culture as some kind of a transversal dimension that connects various policy domains.